Hey everybody, my name is Jarrad and I really like art. I actually used to be a drummer and even went to music school, but somewhere along the way I discovered drawing and I fell in love with it. So when I was 22, I was actually making my very first drawings. When I first got into drawing, I had no direction. I started by drawing whatever I felt like. I did a bit of life drawing, digital painting, illustration, and eventually I got into classical art. But the one thing that always stuck with me was how easily I could get lost in my sketchbook. I could spend hours sketching and never really notice that time was passing. There was something about sketching that freed me from the pressure of perfection and allowed me to explore my imagination. I feel like sketching is so universal that anyone can pick it up and just go. So my goal with this channel, The Sketch Adventure, is to show you all the different ways I sketch and to teach you what I've learned so far. I also want to use this channel as a means of pushing myself to always grow as an artist. That means I'm going to fail a lot, and that's okay. I'm not going to hide my bad drawings and paintings because I think it's important that people see we're not perfect and we make mistakes. If we can be okay with this, then the whole process becomes a lot of fun. So if this sounds interesting to you, please subscribe and stick around for the adventure. Here's a preview of what's to come.